Now, Data Analysis ToolPak in Excel is always found in the Data tab. So if you click Data tab, you should be able to see Data Analysis ToolPak on the far right. Now, if your Excel doesn't have Data Analysis ToolPak, like it's lacking here, then normally it's because you have not enabled it through the add-ins menu. So you need to enable it through uh, the add-ins menu by going to File and then scroll down to Options, click Add-ins, and then ensure Excel add-ins is selected here. Okay, click Go, and then select Analysis ToolPak and click OK. Okay, if you go back to Data tab, you'll find Data Analysis here. And that's it. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I normally post such videos almost every week. Okay, bye.